Good afternoon and good evening, Southeast Lower Michigan. This is Eric Tallman, Chief Meteorologist. Thank you so much for joining me on this weather update. The time is 4:48 p.m. and today is the 23rd of March 2015. Thank you so much for joining me. And we just want to let you know we do have something that we want to show you on the computer model, so we'll go ahead and bring that up in just a second. We're going to bring it up right now, as a matter of fact, and we'll show you what's going on, and it's quite interesting. We do have some precipitation that's actually in the metro area, but unfortunately it's not really going to stick, but we are going to have some precipitation around the area, just a little bit of rain and snow around the area. But over in Chicago, they got about 5 inches of snow out of the system that came through. We'll go ahead and put it into motion so you can see for yourself where it all came from. And it actually came from the Midwest. And Chicago did get 5 inches of snow, and they're digging out from that. And this is actually headed in our direction. Does not necessarily mean that we're going to get inches of snow, and you can see as it does come towards Southeast Michigan, you can see that the snow pattern is starting to break up. So that's actually a good thing, because I'm going to tell you what, we don't really need any more snow around here, that's for sure, because we're already in the spring. So let's look forward to that. Alright, let's go ahead and turn the pages and show you what we do got going on across the Midwest. And this is what we have going on. We've already talked about the precipitation that's going across the state of Michigan, not the whole part of Michigan. But I wouldn't be too surprised if there's like a snowflake or two that is flying across the metro area, but don't worry about that right now. We'll just focus in on the rest of the day. Where you can see this whole area right here, there's thunderstorms, and there's actually a slight chance of seeing some severe weather in the south. That does not pertain to us, so that severe weather is going to stay down to the south. And we were talking to you earlier about a week or so, or a couple days ago, that it's not going to be too much longer where we start to see severe weather. So we are going to be talking about that very, very soon, and definitely probably in April is when we're going to be talking about severe weather month with tornadoes and thunderstorms and hail, etc., and lightning and all that other stuff in between. So you don't have to worry about severe weather right now. We'll be prompting you and letting you know about all that stuff in a little while. But anyway, that's what's going on over there. We don't have to pay any attention to what's going on in the south. That stuff is going to stay down there. So that's a good thing. That's going to stay away. So when I come back in a little bit, we'll talk more about some very up and down temperatures again. We're going to be going up and down once again. We had a cold front that went through on top of that. And we're going to be going up and down for a while with the temperatures. But we do have some 50-degree weather in there. And I'll talk about that 7-day forecast coming up when I come right back. So stay tuned.